Hello guys, this is Rage Gamer, and my brother's gonna be doing whatever.
A challenge of whatever this is, hot sprinkles.
It's for pizza.
Yeah. It smells really hot. Let's get a good mix up. Starting to get a little bit hotter. He just ran away, guys. I'm about to try another one.
That is the nastiest thing.
Much more. Alright, that is nasty. I'm done.